I'm at my daughter Callie's house, and she teaches pole dancing at the studio.
Here's my fairy garden.
Ooh, that's the coolest fairy garden ever. I've never even seen one like that, right?
Yeah, it's a fairy pile.
Look at, there's candy out here. There's a bunch of candy out here. I guess we should be looking for some turds. The turd fairy has been out here just like taking all of your pleasures away. Dozer! Look at, he's the one that leaves all the candy on the back porch.
He's blind.
Dozer's blind. Look at all the candy. Hi, sweetie. What are you collecting in there?
These are they're Easter eggs.
Chocolate. Chocolate just makes me really excited.
They say eating chocolate can produce a feeling similar to an orgasm. But
This is where the candy making goes on. Oh my gosh, look at, there is the chef in process. It's the chef in the process. Oh my goodness. Oh. You did miss.
I know that one.
It's right there.
It's the freshman. Oh, it's gonna be so gross.
Oh, look it.
It's
Stinky mound.
It's gonna be so gross. It's gonna stick to this.
Ugh.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Run, run. So let's do that. This is the pit scrubber. Because you can close it. Because
Sorry.
is blind and he is intellectually delayed. Yeah, you want to get back up because this will spray all over you. And then it's bleeding.
I never even knew that this is the way that you make chocolate and stuff.
You didn't know what?
I didn't know this is the way you made chocolate. Oh. Yay!
Wants me to hurry, but I cannot control my feet. Oh no, it is so sweet under the sun. And even
That was almost too sweet.
I love this. See, you hear that pop sound? That it goes pop.
Mm-hmm.
It goes like this.
Oh, I thought you were going to tell me like there's like a reason that it goes pop and you can tell how ripe it is.
I have no idea why it makes that sound. I just like it.
You know what I do is I usually lay down on my back underneath the strawberries, and then when you look up you see them from a different angle.
Yeah.
These are the cherry trees she planted as they're little bitty things.
Ooh, this water's warm.
And then this one over here has been a real problem. We've had some bug problems with this one right here. Like,
That's all good better, huh?
it is getting better, but we still got these ones you hear that look like they have ear mites.
Ew, look at, there's those sluglings. That was so good.
Mmm.
Is that not good?
No, it had a hair on it. Oh. Just made me think of the chocolate. My favorite sign at Callie's house. It makes me have to really think. I was looking at the sign out there. My favorite one is the one up behind the bench because it makes me have to think. Prairie would love it because she goes, "You have all these different voices." I'm going, "Oh no!"
Laughs when I do that.
Make sure to get it on the tip of the little taproot. Paul was telling me interesting things though. All those little hairs in the root, if they dry out, within minutes, those little hairs will dry out and affect the whole plant. I'll stuff the whole thing down in there to keep it moist in there. Because mint can take it.
This has a root on it too.
Yeah, I know. I'll get home and I'll try to peel it off and just plant the roots in the ground.
Oh,
Yeah.
you peel the mint off of it?
Yeah, feed it to the peacocks.